Okay, the border molding was done for this patient. We're going to use the rubber in our secondary stage. We're going to load a monophase rubber. This is monophase. I'm going to load inside the tray first. I'm going to make it as a wash. By the way, the tray we drilled holes through to make this retentive. Okay, we're using mechanical retention here. And I'm also adding the material to the sulci, covering them. I could further manipulate the material. I have some, this is rubber material, so I have some time to manipulate it. And I'm also going to use an instrument to make sure that the material is flowing and covering the tray evenly. It's very important that when you do impression material, no matter what material it is, that you cover the green stick while loading the impression material. The green stick should be covered because we want to guide the material to flow to the sulci rather than going backwards and flowing outside of the tray while taking the impression. We want to guide the material to flow in this direction. Maybe I had it a bit short here. Insufficient material. Okay, a bit more here. And I'm going to take the impression. So I entered inside the patient's mouth. ارفع لسانك. Before I go down, okay, I'm going to seat it. لساننا فوق شوي. And then vertically press. I'm not going to press unless the tongue is outside. Okay. Now, once vertically seated, I can see the material squeezing out of the holes. Now, vertically seated, and while holding it in place, I begin border molding the areas. لسان لقدام، يمين شمال. ايوه لسان احكي اك اوكي. لسان امسح فيه شفتك العلويه. Wipe away the upper lip. Okay, yes. And I've done the buccal movements. فكك يمين شمال زي تتوضا. تمام خلاص. هنستنى. We're going to wait until the material will set, and then we're going to remove the impression. This is for cases of undercuts.